The price is right on these Jordans, and while the price is right, I had to go back and double up on these OG Jordans now before it's too late. You guys still have a chance to get yourself a pair of the reimagined Air Jordan 3s. All you guys need to do is like this video, smash that subscribe button, join the More family, leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the reimagined 3s. Follow me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369, and DM me proof that you guys subscribed to my YouTube channel. Make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in, because this giveaway ends at the end of this month in just a few days. You only have a few days left to get your giveaway entries in. I'll be picking the winner at the end of this month. The winner will be in a video next week. Make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of reimagined 3s. Make sure you guys give me a follow over on Instagram if you'd like to win some reimagined 3s and other hype sneakers for only $20. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. And hey, I'm now verified on Instagram, so you'll know it's me. No more scammers. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. The link is down below. And make sure you guys get yourself some free reimagined 3s or possibly win a pair for just $20. Follow me on Instagram, link down below. Smash that like button for me right now. If you guys can get this video up to 250 likes, the next giveaway after the reimagined 3s is gonna be the Thunder 4s early. So make sure you guys subscribe right now. Hit that subscribe button and make sure you guys like this video. Sneakerheads, check this out. This right here is my Sole Premise sneaker bag, the best sneaker bag on earth. These bags are made and designed to store your sneakers safely and securely when you're traveling. You also have room for your clothes, your laptop, your chargers, and a bunch more. Make sure you guys click my link down below in the description. Check out Sole Premise, the best sneaker bags on earth. Check out the website, but don't worry about those prices. Oh no, do not worry about those prices. Make sure you guys use my code DannyMoore at checkout. That will save you almost half off. 40% off at checkout. Make sure you guys use my code and click my link down below. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring this fire video. I absolutely love my Sole Premise bags. Guys, I use them all the time. They actually hold your sneakers when you're traveling. There's actual compartments, high quality leather. There's tons of different bags. All different bags are made to store your sneakers. Make sure you guys check out Sole Premise, the best sneaker bags on earth. A few times a year, pretty much every year, I love Jordan Brand. I love Jordan Brand during these times because Jordan Brand brings back a classic, an OG, a must-have Air Jordan, a sneaker that Michael Jordan actually wore himself, which to me and to a lot of people actually means something. It actually means something because, hey, Michael Jordan actually had a say in that colorway. He actually cared about that colorway, that model, that particular shoe, right? It's not something new that Jordan didn't play in. It's not a collab. We didn't have that back in the OG days, right? So I love when they do this, and particularly on this model, every one across the board is a must-have. It's simply a must. I'm not a fan of every single OG out there that Michael Jordan wore and played with, but I will say this. There are certain models that every single one are a must-have. This right here is definitely a must. I had to go back, double up. Prices dropped, and while the price dropped, I had to go back and pick them up because I do believe now will be about the lowest price point. I waited, and I'm not waiting no more. I'm not waiting anymore. I'm impatient. I need to double up. Why do I need to double up? I'll show you guys later on in this video. Make sure you guys stay tuned why I need to double up on this sneaker. I do feel that I owe you guys a little bit of an explanation before I show you guys the shoes of why am I doubling up? Didn't I say I was gonna stop keeping sneakers? Well, the truth is, when it's certain shoes, I just can't help myself. Certain shoes that I don't have, that I did have at one point, sold back in the day, need again, I just can't help myself, and this is one of those times. And I've been wearing the crap out of this one pair. That's why I need to double up. I'll show you guys my worn pair. They're looking a little stingy, a little dirty, so definitely needed to double up. Now's the time. And if you guys are looking to double up, triple up, hey, might be a good time to do it, because I do see the resale price skyrocketing one day. They're gonna go up. It's inevitable if you ask me. It's only a matter of when, and I don't feel like waiting. I don't feel like playing the waiting game and then accidentally missing out, or whatever you want to call it, not spending the money. Just go spend it, have the double up, call it a day. I had to, guys. I had to. This right here is a must. An absolute must for me, and I'm sure for most of you out there. The Air Jordan 3 Reimagined had to double up. Absolutely a must for me. Double up right here. Size 11. Yes, please. Double up on these. It's a no-brainer if you ask me. Prices are around $280, $270, $290. You can get them locally for around that price. Listen, do it. I think if you need to double up, if you want to double up, if you feel like you need to, if you feel like you want to, do it. I don't think you'll regret it. It's a classic. It's an OG. And like I said, when Jordan and Nike brings these out, these classic OG models like this, I'm here for it all day long. I wish they dropped classics, OG Jordans just like this each and every year. Guys, I'll take a white cement 3 every single year, keep beating them up, wearing them to the ground, and take a new fresh pair every year. If Jordan actually did that, of course we know they will not do that. So who knows when we will see the white cement 3s again. Of course we will. It's only a matter of time. But I don't feel like playing the waiting game. And I feel like this right here, the Reimagined, they did a great job. As far as the actual details, I know there was quality control issues with the elephant print, but if you take away that aside, take a look at the actual shoe for what it is, the storytelling, they did a great job. They did a great job. It looks great. It's classic. It's iconic. And right here is my worn pair that I've been beating up. You guys can see the sock liner getting a little stingy, and there's just dirt, creases. I've been wearing them a lot, and I just can't stop wearing them. So, had to double up on the Reimagined white cement 3s. Picked up another dead stock pair. It's a no-brainer at $280. Yes, please. It's a no-brainer for me. Double up all day worthy. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, because I am giving away a pair of the Reimagined 3s. Make sure you guys like this video. Hit that subscribe button. Join the More family right now. Make sure you guys subscribe, and make sure you guys DM me proof on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Send me a picture, a screenshot. Make sure you guys send me proof that you guys are subscribed to my YouTube channel to make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. This giveaway ends in just a few days, guys. You only have a few days left to win a free pair of the Reimagined 3s. I need to ask you guys, are you guys doubling up on the Reimagined 3s? How about Lost and Found Jordan 1s? I might have to go back and do that as well, to be honest. I've been wearing those a crap ton. Once again, another classic OG Jordan that I just can't get enough of. I can't get enough of certain OG Jordans, and the Reimagined white cement right here is one of them. The white cement's 3s. It's a classic. It's an OG. It's a must-have. I'll take them every year if they drop them every year, baby. I mean, it's a classic. It's an OG. I just can't go wrong. Double up worthy? Yeah. And you're talking to somebody that really doesn't double up. What I usually do is I'll wait for the next retro, because I know they're going to retro it again. When it comes to OG Jordans, I know they're going to come back out again. It is a matter of when, but I usually just wait for the retro. I'll give you guys an example. 2012 Bread 11s, I could have used a new pair. What did I do? Wait for the retro. 2019. Yeah, 7 years later, but we eventually got the shoe. Eventually, we will get the white cement 3 again. I just don't want to wait. Not when I've been wearing the crap out of these, because I haven't had white cement 3s in the collection for years, and I couldn't wait. So I definitely could not wait and had to double up, but I definitely don't really double up a lot. It's rare ever that I do it. So on classic OG Jordans though, like this, yeah. For $280, retails $210 plus tax and shipping and all that. It's not much over. It was a no-brainer for me to double up. Double up here on the OG Jordan 3 white cement, Nike Air on the back. Yes, please. The day that this video drops, today, March 27th, tomorrow, March 28th, you guys are going to have chances to win Reimagine 3s for just $20. Make sure you guys give me a follow over on Instagram, DannyMoore2369, and make sure you guys stay tuned because I'm going to give away more hype sneakers over on Instagram for just $20. Follow me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys like this video and hit that subscribe button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.